Hey there everybody, hope everybody's doing well. So in today's video I did for you the third one in the series of the Farm to Sea challenge that I just recently did. This is the third one, like I said, and it was the shrimp and pork tacos. And as you can see here with all my ingredients that I had to start off for it, I started off with my pork loins, getting them prepped up and ready for the cook. And with them, it was just four about 1/4 inch pieces of pork loin, 4 pieces. And I took those and I'll clean them up a little bit, take off some of the fat on it because I didn't need all the fat, and then some of the silver skin as well that are on them. And I just cut them in about 1/4 inch pieces here too, as you can see, so they'll cook pretty quick and it'll all be an even cook when I'm cooking them. And once I've got them cut up, I just put it and the shrimp together in a bowl and season it with it was just some kind of Cajun seasoning that I had to throw in to give them a little bit of spice and kick to them to go in the tacos. And for my vegetables, I just did a red, green, and orange bell pepper, some jalapeños, then a red and yellow onion, and then I just chopped them up, julienne, or just about, you can see 1/4 inch pieces there, just get a good even size too, like I said, so they'll all cook decently close to the same, and everything looks kind of uniform and pretty for folks. And then also I did a quick little salsa. Funny thing about the salsa too, while I was doing it and did the challenge and did the eating part of the challenge, I'd done the salsa here and I totally forgot about it, so I didn't really even get to enjoy it with it then during the video. But it was just a simple tomatoes, jalapeños, the red onion, and then white onion, and I just diced it up fine and mixed it up together, and then that was my quick little fresh salsa. But I grabbed my cast iron skillet so I could start off cooking my vegetables, and then my protein of my pork and shrimp. Threw a little butter in there because, I mean, butter makes it better, don't it? And just started sauteing and cooking them off and getting them kind of softened for the tacos. And just cooked my pork first because I didn't want to throw in the shrimp and start cooking it then, because if I'd cooked it all together, my shrimp would have got done too quick and they'd been like chewing on an eraser. And if you ever had overdone shrimp, that's not the most appealing, but I'll still eat it, eat everything. But that was pretty much it, just quick cook on the pork, and once it's done throwing the shrimp and got it just to the reddish kind of color, you know, you get the translucent cook through, and you got your shrimp done. And once your veggies are kind of softened, and that's it, and just throw them in your little shells there, and then don't forget your salsa like me. And that's it for them, pork and shrimp tacos. I'll have the list of ingredients down below, so if you want to make it, you can make it too. Anyways, I love y'all. Thank y'all so much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe so I can get this channel big, because everybody loves food and I love cooking food. Anyways, like I said, I love y'all, and I'll catch you on the next one.